Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to add Zoho on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Apps. In the search bar that appears at the top of the menu, type Zoho and press Enter. This will automatically open up the Shopify App Store in a new tab. Browse the available options depending on what your specific business needs. For example, if you run a candle shop and want to automate your bookkeeping and stock counts, look for the app titled Zoho Books Integration, and then click the Install button. Shopify will bring you back to your dashboard to authorize the connection. Review the data permissions and click Install App. Finally, log into your Zoho account when prompted to link your organization. Choose your sync preferences and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Zoho on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.